Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Broadway Music Theater, presented by Japan Airlines. To ensure the safety and our performers, and in consideration of the audience members around you, we ask that you kindly refrain from eating, drinking, smoking, taking photographs of any kind, and using video cameras. Also, please remove large hats and hairbands, and switch off the mobile phones. After the show, please remain seated until the auditorium lights turn on again before exiting through the doors at the rear. The emergency exit lights will be turned off during the performance, but will turn on automatically in case of an emergency. Big Band Beat will begin in just a few minutes. Thank you.